This is part 2 of major landforms, chapter 4. Several mountains may join together to form a chain or a range. So there are several mountains when they join together. When different mountains join together, so they form a range. This is known as mountain ranges. You must have heard about Himalayan ranges. So why do we call it ranges? Because many mountains join together and they form a chain. So it is also known as mountain ranges or a chain. Mountains often have a series of parallel ranges which may extend for hundreds of kilometers. Now here, it may extend of hundreds of kilometers. It may have parallel ranges, parallelly ranges चलती हैं and it can extend up to 100 kilometers. The Andes in South America and the Rockies in North America are two examples. These are the two examples in South America and North America which extend to hundreds of kilometers. These are the ranges, mountain ranges. Now what is the importance of mountain? So mountains have a thin soil cover and steep slopes. So the soil cover is thin, means the soil which is available, it's not too thick, as well as steep slopes. Slopes are steep. It is difficult to grow crops here. The mountainous regions are thinly populated. This is due to an unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land and difficulty in transportation. Now let us understand this. In mountain regions, it is thinly populated. It's too difficult to survive in these regions. Is it possible to us to construct our house here? क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि हम यहाँ जाके अपना घर बनाएं एंड कैन वी सर्वाइव देयर? नो, वी कैन नॉट. इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट. एज वेल एज बिकॉज ऑफ अनसुटेबल क्लाइमेट, शॉर्टेज ऑफ फ्लैट लैंड. इफ़ इट वॉज अ फ्लैट, यदि यहाँ पे फ्लैट होता तो वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट आवर हाउस ईजीली एंड वी कैन सर्वाइव देयर. बट हियर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस आर नॉट सुटेबल, shortage of flat land as well as difficulty in transportation. Transportation facilities are also not available here easily. Despite this, mountains are very useful to us. But instead of these things, it is some useful points are also there. So let's see that what are the uses of mountain. So mountain act as a barrier against cold and hot winds. So wherever sometimes cold and hot winds coming from another region, it act as a barrier. रोकना, barrier means जो रोक देता है. It act as a barrier for cold winds and hot winds coming from another region to enters in our country. जैसे हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज है, तो हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज इट एक्ट एज अ बैरियर. यदि अगर नेपाल से, चाइना साइड से कभी कोई एनिमी हमारे यहाँ एंटर करना चाहे, इफ़ इट इज़ हॉट और कोल्ड विंड समथिंग लाइक दैट, so it acts as a barrier, do not allow those winds to enter in our country. It just reflect them. Then rivers originating from mountains provide water for irrigation. As we all are aware of that, mountains are the origin point of rivers. जितनी भी rivers हैं वो maximum rivers mountains से originate होती हैं. So the rivers which are originating from mountain, they also provide water for irrigation. Irrigation facilities हमें provide करती हैं. The slopes of mountains have rich pasture land and valuable forest. अब जो mountain slopes हैं, they have valuable forest also. फॉरेस्ट से हमें कई सारे हर्ब्स, श्रब्स, मेडिसिनल हर्ब्स भी मिलते हैं. तो दे आर वैल्यूएबल फॉरेस्ट आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द माउंटेन्स. सम माउंटेन्स आर रिच इन मिनरल्स. नाउ सम माउंटेन्स आर रिच इन मिनरल डिपॉजिट्स. जो मिनरल्स होते हैं in some mountains, they are rich. Suppose if you have heard about colored mountain of China, why they are so colored? Because they are rich in mineral deposit. You can search, just go to the Google and search colored mountain of China, you will see the different beautiful colored mountain there. It is due to the mineral deposit. Now the next topic is plateau, that I will let you know in the part 3.